Now I will introduce operation on milling machine. Firstly, let's power on the CNC controller. Press the green button to start the controller. The system starts normally. Clear alarm information. And now this alarm is released. The machine tool now is in jog mode. There are 5 modes: alt mode, single block mode, jog mode, MPG mode, and home mode. In alt mode, we can run programs and machine the workpiece. In single block, we can run the programs block by block. In jog mode, we can manually control the movement of coordinate axis. For example, now we can see that the axis coordinate changes. In MPG mode, we can move the coordinate axis of x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis through the handheld unit. With positive and negative direction and magnification adjustment switch. Now adjust to the z-axis direction and adjust the magnification multiply 100. Move 1 grade. We can find that the z-axis moves by 0.1. Adjust the magnification multiply 10 and move 1 grade. The z-axis moves by 0.01. Adjust to x-axis direction and move forward, and we can find x-axis coordinate moves forward. Now we carry out tool setting operation of the machine tool. Find MEAS, measurement, in the set interface. There are 3 methods for workpiece measurement. The first one is center measurement. The second one is plane measurement. And the third one is circle center measurement. Firstly, I would like to explain the center measurement for you. Under MDI mode, input M03S600 to rotate the spindle forward at 600 RPM. Click Cycle Start in the Alt mode. Now the spindle rotates forward. Click Set again to enter the center measurement interface. In MPG mode, The center measurement is carried out through moving the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis by the handheld unit. Now move the x-axis. Detect point A on x-axis. Make the tool contact with the side of the work blank until chips appear. In center measurement, click to read the measured value. Obtain the coordinate of point A on x-axis and measure the position of point B on x-axis. Move z-axis upward to detect point B on x-axis. Make the tool contact with the side of work blank. When approaching, the magnification will be reduced. Now chips appear. Read the position of point B on x-axis. Click to read the measured value and the position of point B and point A on x-axis. Click Coordinate Set. Now the position of x-axis on coordinate system G54 is changed. Calculate the position of the center point on x-axis. Move the cursor to the y-axis position to measure the position of point A on y-axis. Move again the coordinate axis. Make the tool contact with the side of work blank until chips appear. Read the position of point A on y-axis. Click to read the measured value and measure the position of point B on y-axis. Move the z-axis upward. Now measure the position of point B on y-axis. Now the tool contacts with the front end of work blank and the position of point B is obtained. Read the position of point B on y-axis. Read the measurement menu and click Coordinate System again. The center position of y-axis has been obtained and is located in Coordinate System G54. Move the cursor to the position of z-axis for measurement. Move the z-axis to make the tool contact with the surface of the work blank until the chips appear. Now click to read the measured value. Read it twice, and click Coordinate Set. Then the Z-axis position has been obtained. The center position of X, Y, and Z axis has been obtained in coordinate system G54. We can also input into G55, G56, G57, G58, and G59 in coordinate system G54. We default to G54. Return, enter into the program interface and click Coordinate System to see Joint Coordinate System and G54 Coordinate System. For measurement on the plane, we need to know the position of 2 points to get the center 0 position. Regarding to circle center measurement, obtain the circle center position by 3 points A, B, C to calculate the midpoint position of X and Y axis in G54 coordinate system. Click Spindle Stop, and the spindle stops rotating. Now the basic operation of CNC milling machine is finished.